Hey future traders! Welcome back to another lesson where we'll talk about one of the most common beginner questions in Forex: when can I actually trade Forex? Unlike the stock market, which closes every day, the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. But that doesn't mean you should trade all day long. The market moves in sessions, and knowing when to trade can make all the difference between a smart trade and a frustrating one. Let's break it down so it's simple, clear, and easy to remember. The 24-hour Forex market. Forex runs on a 24-hour cycle because it's a global market. When one part of the world sleeps, another is awake and trading. There are 4 major trading sessions you should know. 1. Sydney session. 2. Tokyo session. 3. London session. 4. New York session. These sessions overlap throughout the day, and that's when the market is most active. Tokyo session. Asian session. Open around 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. GMT. Main players: Japan, China, Singapore, Hong Kong, Australia. Top pairs: USD JPY, Euro JPY, AUD USD, ENS USD. The Tokyo session kicks off the trading day. It's usually calm but steady. Liquidity is lower than in London or New York, and price movements tend to be smaller. It's a great time for traders who prefer slow, controlled trading, or for those who trade JPY pairs, since Japan's market is most active here. Tip: avoid trading pairs like GBP USD or Euro USD. Here, they're pretty quiet during this session. Gap 2.0's quick 24-hour Greenwich Mean Time timeline highlighting the London band. London session open around 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. Main players: UK, Germany, France, Switzerland. Top pairs: Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, EUR GBP. When London opens, things get exciting. This is the most active and volatile session. Tons of traders jump in, and trading volume is high. The London session also overlaps with the end of the Tokyo session and later with the start of New York, which means big movements, sharp trends, and plenty of opportunities. Tip: many traders consider this the best session to trade if you like movement and momentum. New York session, American session. Open around 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. Main players: United States, Canada. Top pairs: Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, USDC. When New York opens, the US dollar takes center stage. This session overlaps with London for several hours, and that overlap creates some of the biggest market moves of the day. Expect strong trends, high volatility, and major economic news like non-farm payrolls, NFP, or Federal Reserve announcements. Tip: if you're looking for fast-moving markets, the London-New York overlap is your golden window. The best time to trade depends on your strategy, but generally, traders prefer when sessions overlap, because that's when volume and volatility peak. Tokyo-London overlap: low volume, moderate movement. London-New York overlap: 12 p.m. 4 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. The most active and profitable window for most traders. Not all trading days are created equal. Here's a simple rule of thumb. Monday, slow start. Markets are just warming up. Tuesday, Thursday, best trading days, strong trends, good volume, and more news releases. Friday, active in the morning but slows down after noon, as traders close positions for the weekend. Tip: avoid trading late Fridays or early Mondays. Spreads widen, and price action becomes unpredictable. Quick recap, let's summarize them by sessions. Open time, GMT, best pairs, volatility, and notes. Tokyo, 12 a.m. to 9 a.m., Greenwich Mean Time. USD JPY, AUD low to medium volatility, steady, calm. London, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., Greenwich Mean Time. USD, GBP USD, high volatility, most active session. New York, 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. USD, USD JPY, high volatility, strong overlap with London. London-New York overlap, 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. Major pairs, very high volatility, best time to trade. So, there you have it. The Forex market never truly sleeps, but knowing when to trade is key to success. Trade smart, choose your sessions wisely, and remember, you don't have to trade all day, you just have to trade at the right time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Forex lessons, and stay tuned for our next episode: Who Exactly Trades Forex?
NovaCap, where